Bitcoin money generally truly has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in an unobtrusive manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $228.51. Or so they sort of essentially thought in a by and large significant manner. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in an unpretentious way, which truly is very critical. The truly current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money especially for the most part is at $216,021,640 in an unpretentious manner. 04 August 2023. In this video we will basically explicitly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and generally especially attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense. Got clarification on some things, facts. What most certainly by and large is especially momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, outrageously is BCH a wise speculation. Or so they in every way that really matters, sort of thought. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so forth in an entirely enormous manner. However, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the BCH specialized investigation, let us truly discuss the entirely current economic situations, truly in spite of mainstream thinking, which basically is very huge. Market examination over the outrageously last 24 hours, there quite was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the in every practical sense, beautiful whole digital currency market to $1,169,239,238,148, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking in a quite huge manner. The truly absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at $29,024,660,437, or so they in a real sense thought. Or so they generally thought. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally essentially has a strength of 16.33%, which really is genuinely huge incredibly, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, which generally is very critical, which is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time span, or so they for the most part thought in a very significant manner. XRP, the reasonably especially local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.01 and as of now exchanging at 66 cents, showing how the extremely in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $29,024,660,437 in an in every way that really matters, exceptionally large way in an especially enormous way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels, and so on, in a pretty extremely huge manner in a significant manner. These occasions in every practical sense especially show that the market by and large truly is going in a for the most part truly descending course, for sort of in every way that really matters, momentary in an in every way that really matters, certainly significant way in a truly significant way. As of now, a very broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, sort of additional appearance. How these occasions quite demonstrate that the market generally truly is going in an entirely descending bearing for essentially present moment, which especially is genuinely huge, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense, essentially are significant specialized markers used to by and large for the most part, distinguish kind of fundamentally key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they certainly thought. Support certainly in a real sense is a level at which purchasers essentially become in every way that really matters, sort of more fundamentally commonly dynamic and actually fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours in a by and large huge manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of for the most part is a level at which dealers especially move really dynamic and by and large basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time period in a sort of quite huge manner in a significant manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money. BCH Bitcoin money execution. The fundamentally current Bitcoin money cost for the most part truly is $228.51, with an exchanging volume of $216,021,640 and the in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, recent hours, which in every way that really matters, shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin money support and opposition levels, and so on in an essentially sort of large manner, which for the most part is genuinely critical. As of now, BCH basically truly is up by 0.27% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,448,336,356 United States dollars, which sort of fundamentally shows that the by and large especially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $29,024,660,437 in a kind of huge manner in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money value examination BCH cost investigation for 04 August 2023, insight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period, sort of explicitly made sense of beneath, or so they especially thought, or so they thought. We utilize fundamentally exceptionally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving reasonably kind of normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of truly basic moving commonly, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA to explicitly sort of examine the future development of the Bitcoin Cash. While BCH's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign in every practical sense is certainly truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how 04 August 2023. In this video, we will all things considered walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense. Basically got clarification on some things facts. What especially truly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, actually especially is BCH a sort of in every way that really matters, wise interest in an unpretentious way, or so they thought. The overall strength record, RSI demonstrates that the BCH coin explicitly certainly is an oversold stage, as RSI basically really is at 25, kind of sort of additional